Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're old here, thank you for staying true. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for your comments. I see them all. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, the subscribe link is down below. Click that cute red button down below and subscribe to my channel so that you can be getting notifications as soon as I upload videos. Let's enjoy this ride together. So today's tutorial is on this very colorful eyeshadow I'm wearing here. Know what inspired this color, but I just decided to do something different for my channel because I was watching videos on my channel a couple of days back and I realized that I haven't done anything like way out of the box or way out of what I would normally do. So I decided to play around with colors and I arrived at this. So if you want to see how I'm going to create this eyeshadow look, please keep watching. And if you also want to know how I achieve this hair look, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and let's get on with the video. I'm beginning this makeup tutorial with the House of Tara Margaret Ekpo palette, and the first color I'm using is this burnt orange shade. I'm going to be applying this with my crease brush. Going in with the dark pink shade, I'm also using the same brush and applying it on my crease line. This is just to intensify the first color I used. I'm going to be using this concealer from the Milani and I'm going to be using it to carve out my crease line. Yes, just my eyeshadow primer is from Fayre Gold and I'm going to be applying this on top of the concealer already applied. This is just to allow my eyeshadow something to stick to since I'm going to be working with really colorful colors. The first color I'm this very yellow gold color from the Romantic Eyeshadow palette, and that is what I'm going to be using first. I'm going to be applying this from the inner corner, just around my inner corner basically, using a flat eyeshadow brush to do this. Then going in with this green shade from the Juvia's Bliss palette, I'm going to be placing this color next to the yellow gold color I used. The next color I'm going to be using is this dark blue shade. I don't know, I think it's in turquoise because it looks purple more than blue. So I'm just applying it very close to the green shade I applied first. So I'm just trying to smoothen out the color, that's to join all the colors together. The next color I'm using is this orange shade from the same Juvia's Bliss palette, just to carve out my outer crease. This is just to, I don't know, just to counter out all the multiple colors I had used on my lid. So I'm just dragging it a little bit into my crease. Going in with this soft brown shade and with another blending brush, I'm just blending out my crease line to reduce harsh lines. So I'm going in back with this dark purple shade from the House of Tara Margaret Ekpo palette because it felt like the soft brown just, you know, very cleaned out the entire burnt orange shade. So I'm trying to clean off excesses with an angle brush and a little bit of concealer. Going in with the wipes, I'm cleaning out all eyeshadow fallouts around under my eye region and on my face. My favorite gel liner from Karite, I'm going to be lining my eyes, both my waterline and my lid as well, trying to do a wing liner as usual. I'm using this with an eyeliner brush or an eyeliner. Like I said before in my previous video, the eyeliner, the content inside has dried, so I love to use the pen because of the precision it gives to on my eyelid. So after this, I went into throwing some lashes. If you want to see a lash video, how to fix your false lashes video, I'm going to drop the link in the description box. Foundation is from Flawless, you all know the drill. I'm going to quickly apply my foundation, highlight and contour, and also apply powder. My highlight is from Milani and my contour is from Early Girl. Then I topped it off with Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit just for that extra glow. So I'm going to be repeating almost the same thing I did on my lid to my under eye region. So the yellow, the green, the blue that looks like purple, and the orange shade. So I'm just basically repeating the same thing I did. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, do thumbs up and do share with your friends. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.